Hello guys, so magde-demonstrate ako ngayon ng paggawa ng truss. So ito yung mga details. Ang length ng truss ay 12 meters, then the height is 2 meters. Take note that king post is not at middle and then leg is facing right. Okay, so gawa ko ng first node. And then, yung second node is 12 meters. So maglagay tayo dyan ng beam. And then, ilan ang insert natin? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nodes. Kaya insert tayo ngayon ng 8 nodes. Then, okay. Then, yung king post is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dito. So, isa-select ko yan. Then, translate ko to pataas by 2 meters. Ayan, the height is 2. So, link steps. Oops, what happened? 5. So, pwede mong dito i-edit yan. So, yung may y na 5. Yan, gawin mo lang ito na 2. Yan. Then, we can now add beam. Yan. Tapos, select natin. Yan. Translational repeat natin by y. Link steps mo lang yan. Then, intersect. Tapos, delete na natin ito. Yung mga unnecessary beams. Tapos, mag-add beam na tayo. Yan. And then, so nasunod ito, no? King post is not at middle and leg facing right. And then use a single section for all members. So, do tayo sa properties. It says there, 2 pieces angle bar equal sides. So, section database. Angle. So, L, let's say 30, 33. And then it says there minimum of 3 by 3. So, let's take 30, 33. This is 3 all over 16. So, LD, then assign, then close. Tapos, check natin yung rendering niya. So, yung top chord is okay, facing down yung legs. Yung bottom chord, ayan, i-rotate natin tong bottom chord. Tapos, itong webs at the left is okay. Itong king post, its leg is facing the right. So, okay na yan. Then, itong mga vertical webs na lang ang papalitan natin ng beta angle. Tsaka yung bottom chord. So, gawa tayo ng beta angle na 180 degrees. Then, i-assign natin yan dito sa bottom chord. Tsaka yung tatlo. Then, assign. Then, let's check again the rendering. So, okay na si bottom chord. Okay na rin itong mga vertical webs. Then, save your work once in a while. Tapos, maglalagay na tayo. Palitan na natin tong property ng steel dito kay command file. Ayan. So, si density, gagawin natin itong 77. Ayan. Next, mamaya na tayo magko-code. Maglagay na tayo ngayon ng mga loads. So, dito sa load cases, Your first is dead. Second is live. So, ang sinusunod ko is ito, no? Then, third is wind. This is WL. Ito. Then, fourth is WR. Sa dead load, syempre, meron na tayong self-weight, obviously, no? So, add self-weight, then close. We will assign this to view. Tapos, sa dead load, meron tayong member load na negative 5.2. This is global wide dahil ito na yung ginagawa natin. Tapos, meron din tayong dead load na negative 3.3. Yan. So, itong negative 5.2, this will be applied sa top chord. Okay, so we will assign this to the top chord. Oops, mali. Assign to view. So we will just click undo. Yan. So we will use cursor to assign. Yan. So in 5.2, assign natin yan sa top chord. Tapos, itong 3.3, i-assign natin yan sa bottom chord. And then, yung live load, that is negative 4.3 na global wide. So we will assign this to the top chord. And then WL, that is 6.3. This is pressure, so acting down, kaya negative. Pero local Y tayo. Tapos 5.3 is suction. Since pataas yan, gagawin natin siyang positive na local Y. Okay, sa wind left, yung 6.3, ang gagaling sa left, yan yung pressure. So we will assign that here. Yan. So pressure means itutulak niya yung thrust pababa. And then yung suction, ihigupin niya yung top chord pataas. Sa wind right, ganun din. Mag-a-add tayo ng member load na 6.3. Oops, this is local Y. Tsaka 5.3 local Y din. This is negative. Okay, so ayan, delete lang natin yan. Then use cursor to assign. Ayan. Oops, I think this is negative 6.3. Tapos, itong 5.3, this is positive. Kasi suction yan. Then, use cursor to assign dito. Take note na hindi na natin kinonsider yung distance A. Okay, sa leeward. So, ito yung wind left and then this is the wind right. Okay, wind left, then wind right. And don't forget your supports. So, gagawa tayo ngayon ng pin support, add, tsaka enforced butt. And yung FX, tapos click mo lang tong tatlo. Then yung support na pin, we will assign it here. Tapos itong roller, assign natin dito. Okay, next is gagawa na tayo ng load combinations. So balik tayo dito. Let's click add and then define combinations. This is 1.4D. Then add. Susunod ay ito. Gagawin ko na yung the rest of the combinations dito sa editor. Yan. Which is ito. So, ito yung technique. So, yan. Load paste ko lang dyan. Tanggalin ito yung column. Next. Itong 6. This is dead is 1 and then 1.2. Tapos live is 2, then 1.6. Okay? Followed by 1, load factor na 1.2, 2, load factor na 1.6, and then 3 is WL, load factor na 0.5. Okay, so yan lang ang ikakopy natin. At yung 3, gagawin ko siyang 4 kasi WR siya or wind right. Okay, next is 1, 1.2, tapos 2 na 0.5, 3 na 1.0. Then, palitan ko lang dito yung 4. Tapos 1, 0.9, then 3, 1.0. Then yung 3, palitan ko lang yan ng 4. After that, we will save. Then, magde-design na tayo. Which is, ito na. Yan. So, punta tayo ngayon sa analysis. Click mo lang yan. I-click mo yung steel. Then, i-click 360, 10. Then, select parameters. Ang parameters natin is fy tsaka yung method lang. Which is ito, fyld tsaka yung method. Then, okay. After that, i-click define parameters. Ang fyld natin is 248. Then, we will add. Susunod yung method is lrfd. Then, select everything. Take note, hindi pa pala tayo nag-group. Yan. So, beam is top chord. Ito yung grouping natin. Top chord, webs, tsaka bottom chord. Ano? Then, create webs. Create ulit. Bottom chord. So, yung top chord, we will assign dito sa mga members na yan. Then, sa webs, itong mga nasa loob. And finally, yung bottom chord. Then, let's check. Isa-isahin ko yan. Highlight. Webs, highlight. bottom chord, highlight. Okay, so looks good. After that, assign natin tong FYLB kay view. Then, check natin yung command editor. Palitan lang natin si space ng playing. And then sa baba, yun. Kalimutan nating maglagay ng perform analysis. Saka load list all. Yan. Then method LRFD. Type mo dyan si check code all. Then save. Then let's see if it works. So yan yung pinakamabilis para sa akin. Yan. Okay, so let's check. Merong isang warning. Members 10 and 17 are between the same joints. So check natin yung member 10 and 17. Tsaka si 17, yun. So, member 10, tsaka si member 17 is a case of probably duplicate beams. Ayun, no? 10, 17. So, isa ang tatanggalin natin dyan. So, tanggalin natin yan. Si beam number 17. Yan. Just click yes. Oops. Undo natin. Si member 10 ang nawala. Check natin si view. 3D rendering. Okay, so it is still facing right. So okay na yan. Then let's analyze again. Dapat wala na siyang mistake. Yan. Then select natin kung may fail. Yan. So palitan natin ngayon yung members. So 30, 30, 4, 3 by 3 by 4 all over 16. So LD. Then change. Then analyze again. Tapos select property name, field beams. Ayan. So palitan ulit natin ng mas malaki. Okay, L 30, 35. Ito, LD and then change. Tapos, analyze again. Tapos, select property name, field beams. Ayan. Now, ang final section natin dito ay L30305. Ganyan lang. Tapos, ang reactions natin would be dito sa post-processing, click mo si reaction, click mo tong DL, and then piliin mo lang dyan yung mas malaki, which is 57.033. Okay, 57.03. Since it is 2 decimal places, then click natin si live load. So 27.41. Yan. Tapos, we now go to the maximum actual forces. So click mo tong si beam results, and then i-right click mo yan. Go to the results setup, ang piliin mo lang si range tsaka si group na top chord. Ngayon, ang pipiliin lang niya is yung top chord lang. So, i-click summary and then, ito yung kukunin mo. 145.69. So, yan ang lalagay mo dyan, 145.69. Positive is compression, tapos 38.19, yan yung tension. Ito, 38.19. Okay, so hindi ko na nilagay yung negative doon kasi automatic tension siya. Oops! I think we forgot something. Yeah. Kalimutan ko ilagay itong MP na 0.99. Alo, mantik na gyros. So, punta tayo ngayon sa analytical modeling. Punta tayo kay specifications, bin, dito tayo kay release, no? Start, partial moment release, NP na 0.99. We will add. Tapos, punta tayo kay webs. Highlight mo lang yan. And then, assign to selected. Oops. Yeah. Take note na etong si webs kasama to. Yan. So, associate. Okay. Tapos, then, gawa ulit tayo ng end partial moment. Click mo yan na 0.99 then assign. Okay? Oops. Dito sa start, ayan, sa end, we will click, ayan, use assign to selected beams. Yan. Then, itong MP naman, assign to selected beams also. Okay? So, check. Always double check. Ito yung start. Then, this is the end. So, okay na. And then, let us analyze again. Then, compare natin, ano? So, eto, wala pa rin failed. Yan. So, okay pa rin tong L3035 natin. Tapos, yung sa reactions, post-processing, reactions na dead. Is 57.03 pa rin. Tama. Tapos, sa live load, it is 27.41. Correct. Ngayon, punta na tayo kay beam results. Okay, always save your work. Right-click ko lang yan. Then, result setup. Tapos, range. Top chord ulit. And then, summary. Ayan, 145.707. So, merong effect yung nagpapalit ka ng pinalitan mo yung web members as trust members or yung 0.99 ang kanyang MP. So, papalitan natin ito ng 145.71. Tapos, ito 38.46. Yan. Yan yung tamang sagot. Tapos, palitan na natin to ng webs. So, the group is now webs. Ayan. So, 115. Ang Fx, this is actual force, no? 115.13. Ito yung compression. Tapos, 154.22. Then, palitan natin yung sa bottom chord. Then, 35.36. Tapos, yung tension, 145.57. Okay guys, so that's it. It's your turn. Bye.